G'day, I'm John Hogan. This week we're talking about Gold Coast Waterways Authority. This group really grew out of a desire to have a community-based organisation that took over many of the duties that used to be entirely through Marine Safety Queensland, the government department. So while there's still a close relationship with government, there is a local board that administers the activities that happen here. And led by Hal Morris, the CEO, they've done a good job of really continuing community consultation. You'll find them on Facebook, and they're always asking questions about what people are really looking for in enjoying our wonderful waterways. The current survey that's out is asking questions about speed on the water. And this is really interesting because a lot of people have already replied. They've had over 150 responses. It's open for a couple more weeks yet for community consultation. So check out this webpage and go and have a look and give your comments on your specific needs from your point of view. It relates to whether you're a homeowner or a kayaker or a boater or a water skier. Whatever is your thing with the water, you get an opportunity to have input. This is really important because the commercial businesses that operate on the waterfront, the people that supply products to the industry, are all going to be affected by the decisions on what speed we do on the waterways. There's comments about whether it should be at 6 knots as it is now, whether the 6 knot areas should be expanded to larger areas, whether it should be reduced to only 4 knots, how people are able to measure speed, and to that point, they have some new information as well about new technology. Hal Morris was on radio last week explaining that they're currently investigating the use of cameras. So in the Marine Stadium and at Currumbin Creek, they have already trialled this technology, and it allows them to see what's actually happening on our waterways, because at the end of the day we want to be safe, and they are able to determine the types of behaviours that are happening and how that they can assist with the correct amount of education and enforcement. Education in the way of signage was most interesting, where Hal said over half of all of Queensland's marine signs are in the Gold Coast Waterways. So there's a lot happening in that area, and I would urge you to go online and provide your input for the betterment of all of us that love to live here and enjoy the waterways. Thanks a lot. Catch you next week.